Hey everybody, let's go outside! It's such a nice day! Wait a minute. I think I saw a plane crashing into the road. Oh no! Oh my god! Oh no! Wow, I gotta hide from the explosions! Now I can relax on a tree swing. Now that's a perfect hiding spot! Oh no! I gotta escape from the missiles! Now I'm safe in the backyard. Are those bombs? Cover your ears. It's gonna count down.
3, 2, 1.
I gotta go back inside. Now I'm back inside. Hey, Ethan! Ethan, is that you? Whoa, what is wrong with your face? Well, at least you can't explode. Mind blown.